In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Zoho Desk effectively using an existing or new ticket. Zoho Desk streamlines the process, making it easy and efficient to communicate with your contacts. Whether you're managing customer inquiries, sending important information, or providing updates, managing your emails through Zoho Desk can enhance your productivity and organization. Let's start by navigating to the Tickets module. This is your central hub for managing all your active tickets and communications. Once you're there, locate the icon to create a new ticket. It's typically found prominently on the interface. Clicking this will take you to a new window where you can begin to compose your message. The first task you'll tackle is selecting the contact to whom you'll be sending this email. This is crucial because it ensures your message reaches the intended recipient. After choosing your contact, move on to fill in all the necessary details. Be as thorough as possible here, as complete information can prevent potential delays or misunderstandings down the road. Next, proceed to enter the subject of your email. Think of the subject line as the first impression of your email. It should be clear and concise to immediately convey the purpose of the message. Once you've crafted an effective subject line, it's time to address the description. The description field is your opportunity to provide in-depth information. Be sure to include all pertinent details that the recipient needs to know. If you have any documents or images that are relevant to your email, you can attach these files directly to the ticket. This is a simple yet powerful way to ensure your contact has everything they need in one place. Now, when you're satisfied with the content you've prepared, you'll want to click the Send as Email button. This important step converts your ticket into an email, ready to be dispatched to your contact's inbox. Before hitting send, take a moment to review the email content. This is your chance to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Consider adding CC recipients if there are other parties who should be included in this communication. This function is particularly useful for keeping everyone in the loop and maintaining transparent communication. Once you're confident that the email is ready, your final step is to click Submit and Send. This not only sends the email to your contact, but also submits the ticket for tracking and future reference within the system. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your email communications in Zoho Desk. Remember, using this tool effectively can help streamline your workflow and improve your overall efficiency in managing customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.